Most people see Persian and immediately think, yeah, absolutely not. Too complicated, too different, too intimidating. But honestly, Persian might be one of the most approachable languages you can learn as an English speaker. And I'm not only talking about the countless common words you're going to see. Let me explain. A lot of people see things like this or this, and they immediately panic. But the funny thing is, the writing system is actually one of the last things you need to worry about. The first thing I tell all my students is this: you can learn Persian without knowing the alphabet, without ever learning the alphabet. And Persian grammar is also surprisingly clean and logical. For example, Persian has no grammatical gender. Objects are not masculine or feminine, tables are not secretly female, and you don't have to memorize endless rules like in French or German. A word is just a word. And this alone makes Persian much more relaxing, and it's one of the most emotionally rewarding languages to learn. Now let me show you something that surprises almost everyone. Take these verbs, raftan, guftan. Raftan means to go, guftan means to say. So as you see, they end with an. They end with an. All verbs in Persian end with that, but we don't need that. Let's cross that out. And then you simply attach endings. For I, you add am. So raftam, I went. Goftam, I said. And for the second person, if you want to say you said, you went, you would say rafti, gofti. Rafti, gofti. So it's just e for the second person. And he or she went would just be raft, guft. And that's it. No complicated charts, no chaos, and no 17 irregular forms attacking you. I could easily say, raftam Canada. I went to Canada. And if I want to say I didn't go to Canada, I would just add na, which means no. So, naraftam Canada. I didn't go to Canada. And if I want to ask it, I would just change my intonation. Rafti Canada? Rafti Iran? Did you go to Canada? Did you go to Iran? Or for the third person, Koja raft? Where did he go? Koja means where. Where did he go? Koja raft? Raft Tehran? Did he go to Tehran? Did she go to Tehran? So again, don't worry about the gender. So just like that, we can play around with these verbs and create new sentences. And if that wasn't simple enough, let me make it even easier for you. There's this verb kardan, which basically means to do. And Persian uses this verb everywhere. For example, tamiz means clean, tamiz kardan, to clean. Telefon kardan, to make a phone call. Park kardan, to park a car or a bike or whatever. And even download kardan. So once you learn this one verb, suddenly a huge number of Persian expressions start becoming understandable. It's almost like Persian is giving you Lego blocks or puzzle pieces to create new combinations rather than forcing you to memorize hundreds of unrelated verbs. People often ask me how I learn languages, and I always tell them, most people don't fail at learning languages because that language is extremely difficult or impossible to learn. They fail because they get overwhelmed. Bad textbooks, fear, memorization, pressure. But Persian can be a very warm and enjoyable language if you approach it naturally. So if Persian has ever interested you, don't let the alphabet intimidate you or the stereotypes scare you away. It is a very beautiful and poetic language and much easier than most people think. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and if you want to learn Persian with me personally, the links are below.